Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss Google Search Console. Why we use it, what its purpose is, how to connect it with a website, and what benefit it offers. As you know, when you search for any website, it is displayed in a certain way. Google Search Console helps you monitor how your website is positioning, assess its performance, and provide valuable information. If you want to monitor all these aspects, you need to connect your website with Google Search. And the best part, it's a free tool provided by Google. Firstly, let's understand how this works. In general, Google will crawl your website whether you submit it to Google Search Console or not. This is because web crawlers are constantly searching for new websites, pages, or any update to update them in the search engine. This is Google's own process for indexing and listing websites so that when a query is searched, Google can show the best result on the search engine result page. Google Search Console is designed for website owners. Google Search Console provides a service on how you can monitor, analyze, and optimize the visibility of your website in Google search results. It offers valuable insights into how Google search engine view and interact with your site. Let's take an example. When you search a query on Google, it shows you the search engine result page based on that query. If there is a Google ad running for that query, it will appear at the top, followed by organic result. You cannot manually track the algorithm for this query. There are many paid tools for that. However, Google Search Console is a free tool that allows you to find out your search position for particular query, the total click received, total impressions, and the CTR percentage. With Google Search Console, you can also force a crawl and index a website page. If you haven't added your website to Google Search Console, you will have to wait for the default crawl to occur for crawling and indexing. In next video, I will explain how to connect website and Google Search Console. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials, and hit the bell icon to receive notification for my future uploads. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to drop them in the comment below.